Hello, Brett here with the Brett and Mook Thailand Experience, and today just got a quick video about a special food. I don't know exactly where it's found, but it's in Thailand and a few other Asian countries, and it's called bird spit soup or bird spit drink. And what happens is these little birds live in a cave, something like that, and they build their nest out of spit, their own spit. And then what they do is they harvest these nests and put it into a drink like this. Bird spit drink. The thing costs 70 baht. It's like $2.30 for this little tiny bottle. So it is quite a luxury, and I would not have bought it if not for being able to make a video about it and put it on the channel. So I'm going to give it a try and see what it tastes like, as I have never had it before. You can see the little pieces in there, and it doesn't taste a whole lot different than jelly. If I didn't know what it was, I would think it was just little jelly pieces. Swimming around in there. And it doesn't taste very sweet, but a little sweet. Doesn't taste like much, just a little sweet. Like a real soft syrup. Well, it's worth a try. Doesn't taste like much. Not sure if it's got all kinds of vitamins in it. It says pandan juice 8%, sugar 10%. Wow, so I guess there is probably a decent amount of sugar in there. But alright, that's bird spit soup.